Hello friends, how are you? My name is Rizwan Hafiz and we were talking about the viruses. In the previous video, we have talked about DNA viruses. We have talked about double-stranded DNA viruses, single-stranded DNA viruses and their replication as well. In this video, we will talk about the RNA viruses, single-stranded RNA viruses and double-stranded RNA viruses. So first of all, let's talk about the single-stranded RNA viruses. And we know that single-stranded RNA viruses are of two types: positive sense single-stranded RNA and negative sense single-stranded RNA viruses. Well, first of all, let's differentiate between these positive and negative sense RNA viruses, and then we will move toward the one of the type. Well, positive sense sense RNA viruses, it is also a type of single-stranded RNA viruses and it is also called as plus strand. Negative sense RNA virus is also a type of single-stranded RNA and it is also called as minus strand. Positive strand RNA viruses, after getting into the host cell and when the RNA will be released into the host cell, this RNA have capability to attach on the ribosome of the host cell and start the process of translation directly. But in negative sense RNA viruses, their RNAs cannot start the process of translation directly. Okay. How they will get translated, I will explain later on. Positive sense RNA, they are 5 to 3 prime, and negative sense RNA are they are 3 to 5 prime. So as I have explained that negative sense RNA viruses, they cannot attach on the ribosome directly and they cannot start the process of translation directly. So first of all, for example, negative sense RNA, that is 3 to 5 prime, first of all it need to convert into 5 to 3 prime, its complementary RNA, by the process of replication. Okay, by the process of replication it will be converted into its complementary RNA strand, that will be a positive sense strand. Okay, and now this RNA will be able to attach on to the host cell ribosome and start the process of translation. But here you can see you are making another RNA from RNA, so it means you are doing a process of replication, so you need a polymerase enzyme, but you are making RNA from RNA, so that polymerase will be RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So negative sense RNA viruses, they need RNA dependent RNA polymerase, while positive sense viruses, they do not need RNA dependent RNA polymerase. They can make their RNA dependent RNA polymerase by themselves when they will get entered into the virus. But negative sense RNA viruses, they will be having this RNA dependent RNA polymerase along with the genome when they will get entered into the host cell. Okay, so they will use their own RNA dependent RNA polymerase. Okay, so now first let's talk about the positive sense RNA viruses. First of all, let's talk about the example and then we will talk about the replicating cycles. If we talk about the example, here is a very interesting mnemonic, that is call Pico and Felvi to come right way. Okay, call means calcivirus, Pico coronavirus and poliovirus as well, Felvi virus, to come coronavirus, right way retrovirus. Okay, so these are the some examples of positive sense RNA viruses. Now let's talk about the replication. Well, in the previous video it has been explained how the virus will attach and it will penetrate into the host cell. In the previous video it also has been explained how after getting into the host cell, the genome of virus will be released into the host cell. So now here you can see the genome of the virus, obviously positive sense RNA virus, that will be a positive RNA. Positive RNA, it has been released into the host cell, and I have explained that positive RNA has tendency to bind directly on the ribosome of the host cell and start the process of translation. So this RNA will attach onto the host cell ribosome and the process of translation will be started, and the first protein that will be made will be RNA dependent RNA polymerase. Well, these viruses, they will not be having their RNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme by themselves. They will make their RNA dependent RNA polymerase into the host cell. Okay, because they are positive RNA, they can attach on the ribosome and start the process of translation. Okay, Now, this RNA-dependent RNA polymerase is basically responsible for the replication. So, this RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, it will cause a replication. It will start making copies of RNA. So, if this is a positive RNA, the first copy that will be made, that will be the complementary RNA. That will be the negative RNA. Okay, the first copy that will be made, it will be a negative RNA. Obviously, I have talked that positive RNA 5' to 3 and negative are 3 to 5. So, this is the 5' to 3, and when the replication will take place, obviously 3 to 5' RNA will be formed, and this is a negative RNA. Okay, now what will happen? This negative RNA virus cannot attach onto the host cell ribosome. So again, this will pass through another process of replication with the help of RNA dependent RNA polymerase, and this RNA dependent RNA polymerase this time, by using this intermediate negative strand, can make lots of other positive strand RNA viruses. Positive strands RNA viruses. Okay, now this RNA dependent RNA polymerase, it will keep on moving on the negative strand, and different positive messenger RNA will be formed. Now these positive messenger RNA, obviously if they are complementary to this, they all will be 5 to 3. They all will be 5 to 3. So they are all positive strands. They are all positive strands. It means they will attach onto the host ribosome, and they will start making some other proteins that will be structural proteins that are required for making exact copy of virus. So now there is the process of assembly will take place, and these DNA, this positive sense RNA, it will be enclosed by these protein, and another copy of virus will be formed. Now this virus is ready to go out and infect other nearby cells. So this was the process of replication of positive sense RNA viruses. It is not as much complicated as negative sense RNA viruses. That is a little bit complicated. I hope you must like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share this video as well. Thank you so much.